Hey there, let's talk about something important today. Stage 3 kidney disease. If you've just been diagnosed or know someone who has, it can be pretty overwhelming, but understanding what it means can help you manage it better. So, what exactly is stage 3 kidney disease? This is when your kidney function is significantly reduced. But here's the thing. Most people in this stage don't even notice any symptoms. You might feel fine, but it's crucial to know that complications can arise. We're talking high blood pressure, anemia, and even bone problems. Now, if left untreated, stage 3 can progress to stage 4, which is more severe. And stage 4 means you need to start preparing for kidney failure. At that point, you might need dialysis or even a kidney transplant, but don't stress just yet. Not everyone with stage 3 kidney disease will move on to stage 4. It's all about how you manage it. So what can you do? First off, lifestyle changes are key. Eating a healthy diet that's low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus can make a big difference. Regular exercise is also crucial. And if you smoke, quitting is a must. If you have diabetes, managing your blood sugar levels is essential. Sometimes medications are needed too. These could be to control blood pressure, lower cholesterol, treat anemia, or strengthen bones. Your healthcare provider will help determine what's best for you. So, what's the life expectancy with stage 3 kidney disease? It varies depending on several factors like age, overall health, and how well you manage the condition. The key takeaway here is that early detection and proper management can slow down the progression and improve your quality of life. Remember, regular checkups are your best friend. Keep an eye on your blood pressure, blood sugar, and kidney function, and always communicate openly with your healthcare provider. Stage 3. Kidney disease can be managed effectively with the right steps. Stay informed, stay proactive, and take care of your health.